Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to visualize sales data by location. First, we have a table with locations and sales values. Select the data and convert it into a table using Ctrl+T. Next, go to the Insert tab and choose Maps to create the visualization. Once the map is created, click the plus icon and enable data labels and category name so the information is clearly visible. After that, go to Table Design, select Slicer, choose Location, and click OK. Now you have a clean and interactive sales visualization that looks really great and is easy to understand. I hope you find this feature interesting and useful. See you again in the next video.